Welcome to Teacher Ronica channel. Please subscribe to get all our videos. Unit 11, Lesson 9 and 10, Student Book pages 77 and 78. By the end of this video, the student should be able to determine different uses of numbers in a library, to plan a visit to the library, to order words to form sentences, to identify rules in a library, to talk about rules and regulations. Open your student book page 77. What's the title you have in the page? At the Alexandria Library. Do you know Alexandria Library? Have you visited before? Let's look at the pictures. What can you see? These pictures shows parts of the famous Alexandria Library. Let's look at the picture number 1. What can you see? Where is this picture? Excellent, it's in the elevator. Can you see the numbers written on the elevator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, if we have numbers in the elevator, what are these numbers for? If I want to go to the first floor or the second, third, so each number represents the floor, right? Look at picture number 2. What can you see? These numbers are rooms numbers. They tell us what we can find in different rooms in the library. So if I want to go to the media room, I will search for media room and check its number so I can go to its number. Look at picture number 3. What are the numbers you can see? Where are the numbers? The numbers are written on the book, right? What are these numbers for? They tell us how to find different books in the library. So if I want to search for a book, I will go to the librarian and tell him the name of the book I want. So he will search for its number and tell me its place. Picture number 4. What can you see? What can you see? These numbers are time. Excellent. They tell us what time you can visit the library. So let's look in Monday, the business hours on Monday from 10 to 5:30. On Tuesday, 10 to 6:30. So that's the schedule, the business hours when the library is open. Exercise number 2, read and write. The library has a reading area, a puppet show area, a computer lab, a craft area, and a planetarium. Now, you visit Alexandria Library for 3 hours. Plan your trip. What will you do? So now, you know the places in the library? Let's read the box again. The library has a reading area, a puppet show area, a computer lab, a craft area, and a planetarium. So how many places do we have in the library? Let's count. Reading area, 1. 2, puppet show area. 3, computer lab. 4, craft area. 5, planetarium. So we have 5 places in the library, and we want to plan your trip. So you will choose 3 places to visit. So let's do the exercise together. You visit Alexandria Library for 3 hours. Plan your trip. What will you do? So, number 1, let's go to choose a place. So that will be the first place you will visit. Write its name. Number 2, let's go to the second. So which place would you like to go Write it. 3. Let's go to the third. So which is the third place you would like to go to? Choose from these places and write it. Page 78. Rules for the library. So, as we know, we have rules for the class. It's the same for the library. Also in the library, we have rules and things we should do and things that we shouldn't do. Let's do exercise number 1 to know the rules. Exercise number 1, listen and read. Number 1, always stand in a line. Number 1, always stand in a line. Number 2, always put your trash in the bin. Always put the trash in the bin. Number 3, please don't shout. Please don't shout. 4, always ask the librarian before you take anything. Always ask the librarian before you take anything. Now pause the video and read the rules again by yourself. Exercise number 2, read again and number. Look at the first picture. What can you see? You can see students who are asking the librarian. So which rule is this? Which number? Let's check the rules. Which number? Excellent. Always ask the librarian before you take anything. So, the first picture we will write number 4. Excellent. Write number 4. The picture beside it, what can you see? Yes, a boy who's throwing the trash in a bin. Excellent. So, what is this rule? Check the rules and say it. Well done. Always put your trash in the bin. So, we will write number 2. Excellent. So, write number 2 in this picture. The third picture, what can you see? Yes, they are students who are standing in a line. Excellent. So, which rule is it? Always stand in a line. So you will write number 1. The last picture. What should be the rule? Read the rules and say it. Please don't shout. Excellent. Please don't shout. So what is the number you will write on this picture? Well done. 3. Thank you for watching the video and see you the next time.